Greetings, family. G.P.G production. That's the windows and door designer Abraham. This is a new year design. What we have done for this new year. Just want to show you a brief video about it. So we are here in Kumasi. So this is the main project, as you can see. So during the Christmas festival, we are here in Kumasi doing this project. So we are done with it. Just want to show you a brief video. You can see it looks very nice. Yeah. So in case you want yours to be done and you don't have the glasses ready, at least if you have the window frames being set, yeah, we are good to go. As long as the frames are in, we are good to go. Even if you do the frame, if you set the frame and you've not done the plastering, we can still do it. You can still do the design before the plastering. But for neat work purpose, I always prefer you do the plastering, fix the frame before we carry on. So you can see this is so amazing, fantastic.
Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time that you are seeing Abraham's work, I have created a playlist here on the channel. If you go to windows and door designs, you see all the projects that Abraham has worked on. Amazing design, coping, also he does that as well. He also does plastering, right? So I mean, anything with mortar, it has to do with mortar and design. Abraham is your guy. So please, that is his number on the screen. You can get in touch with him directly via WhatsApp, or if you're in Ghana, you can call him directly, right? So there's more in the playlist. So fast forward, we will move to Frank's shop, and Frank is our metal works, fabricator when it comes to burglar proof, gates, windows, and everything. Frank is your guy.
Yeah, this mighty for you. Come to replacement of these gates. It has been here for almost some years now. Now we're here to change it into different thing. Yeah, so you stay tuned with us. What we've installing. So after taking the other gate off, this is what we have. So you get one open to the left, yeah, and then the other two to the right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. There is mighty hands for you once again. Today we are here at Odumse to do some installations of wall design and then gate, which we've done at our shops. Yeah, so those are the gates with the wall design. Very soon we shall be fixing everything in G.P.G. Stay tuned with us. Mighty hands metal. BFC Estate inside Dev Traco. Yeah. So this is a temporary gate, yeah, for one of our clients at Pram Pram. Gabriel, close the small gate and slide the gate for me. I better make it quick. So this one is a temporary gate, but you can see how smooth it's going. Yeah. Some other design which are gates. This one particular is a gate, very solid, beautiful. So that's just a first primer given, yet to come with a full finishing. And then this another one too, one of our subscribers, going all the way to Dodoa. Yeah, so this is what we do when it comes to Mr. Mighty Hands. Number one, we call ourselves. We believe in ourselves and we know what we do. Our delivering tool is very perfect. So as you can see, this Burglar Proof, before we go to site, we'll be wrapping rubber all over it so that when we fix and then dressing takes over, it wouldn't stain the metals like that. Yeah, so this is what we do. Today we are at shop. This is another gate. Yeah, just starting. So very soon at Chopoli. Get our metal sets to be fixed in this dot.
So that's Frank and his team in action, right? I mean, these are some of the works that they have been busy with this year. So if you want to see more of their work, if you want to get more design, if you go to my playlist, it's called the Mighty Metal Works. You see most of the projects, Frank has worked on most designs, bigger projects here on the channel. So if you are looking for someone to do your burglar proofs, your door, fence wall designs and all that, get in touch with Frank. If you go to my playlist, you see, a lot of works. I mean, with swing chairs and everything, Frank is there for you, right? So even with if you want to create some cabana or pergola, you want to use metal, Frank can also get it done for you. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next episode. Look at do we.